What's up, guys? I wanted to do a quick review on this really cool OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. So this is a really nice way to be able to finally clean your laptop screen and keys kind of all in one. So let me get this out and I will show you how well this works. So first of all, you have kind of a cap to go on the end here, and this is a really nice, feels like microfiber that you can use to brush off all of the kind of gunk that goes on. And then you've got an actual brush here with the softest feel ever. So between the two sides of this, you have a really great